In this video, I'm going to show you a stupid, simple approach to make money online with Etsy. Now, it's stupid because it's very easy to do and it's simple, and you're going to be amazed when you watch this video at how easy and how much money you could really make with this process. So let's go ahead and get right into it. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to the 10-day business blueprint.com if you want to learn how to create and sell your own digital products. Hello, I'm Alston with AlstonGodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income with affiliate marketing, and today I want to help you. All right, so as I mentioned, this is going to be a stupid, simple approach, and I want to show you something that has nothing to do with Etsy. This is the 2021 holiday schedule for the United States. Today's June 3rd. We just recently had Memorial Day. But we're not going to worry about Memorial Day. What we are worried about is we're worried about Flag Day. Yes, Flag Day. The day that nobody talks about is a very good opportunity to make money on Etsy. And now you should be asking yourself, how? We're just going to type in Flag Day, SVG. As you can see here, Flag Day SVG, it brings up a ton of different flags from all sorts of people. This top result here has 206 ratings and it's selling for $1.40. So they're making if we take 206 times 140, they're making at least $280 with this simple idea. But we know that not everybody leaves a review, so they could be making $500 with this simple plan that I'm going to show you. And it's really easy. This person right here, 507 reviews, and they're charging $1.85. So they're making probably $1,000 off of this simple thing. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. What we're going to do is we're going to jump over to Canva. This is a 100% free site. You don't have to pay any money for it. And what we can do is we can go to, let's just use Poster. We can use basically anything, but we're going to use Poster just to make this easy. The next thing that we want to do is go over to Elements, and we are going to click on Flag. As you can see, I've done this before. Canva does have both free and premium flags, so you want to make sure that you are aware of which one you are purchasing and downloading. The other thing with Canva is that you cannot just use their images or elements, you have to make some changes. And if we look over on the Etsy shop here, this one appears to have made some changes, and we're going to make those changes too. If we go back over to Canva, what we can do is we can change this to grayscale here, and then we can change the stars here to black. So as you can see, we now have the exact same thing. Very easy, very simple. And this is actually what this person has done. What we can do is we can go back, we can type in USA flag, as you can see, and you could use a number of these. You could use all of these if you want. Just know that some of them are free and some of them are paid. Another place that you can go, you can type in royalty-free US flags and you can see what you can pick up from there. There's a website like Pixabay that has over 200 flags. As you can see, you can download these right into your Canva account. Let's download this one, for example. Let's say we want this one. As you can see, we can click free download. We're going to download this. Yes, I'm not a robot. So we download that. What we need to do is we need to jump back over to Canva here and find our flag, and we're just going to drag and drop this. Now you see that we have another flag that we could potentially make money. And then if you wanted to change the color on this, you can adjust it as well. And to adjust it, you can adjust it like that. You can make it look vintage. You can change the brightness, contrast, all of that good stuff. If let's say we'll go back over to 0 here. And again, you can do this 100% for free. If you want to make it a little darker, you can, a little brighter. There's a lot of options. Another website that you can use, another website that you could use is this icon finder. So you could just type in USA flags and adjust this to free. And again, you have even more flags for you to use. Once again, you are going to click on this one, for example. We're going to click on download PNG, and we are going to find this in our downloads folder. And once again, we are going to jump over to Canva here, and we're just going to drag and drop this. Now you can do this over and over and over again. Now the question will always come up, hey, someone's already doing this. How can I make this different? How can I be unique? As you can see here, people are already doing this. What can I do to be different and better? What I recommend that you do is find the website called Canva Color Palette. And the reason why you want to find Canva Color Palette is because it gives you a ton of different colors. Now, the best way to be unique is to offer something that's the same, but just slightly different. For example, here let's go up to our flag here. We could change this to pink if we wanted to. Let's see what it would look like if we did pink. We could do a lighter and darker version of pink. So if we did pink there, we could change that to, whatever color. We could change it to pink again. We could change this to pink again, but then just change the transparency of it so that it looks a little bit different. Or we can do, let's say, another good one is to do, let's do this. We'll do 15798. Whoops. We'll do that color. And then we can do something that's a little bit lighter or a little bit darker. For example, we could do that. And then what you'd want to do, and what I recommend that you do, is make each one of these separate. So I would have one product or one listing for all one color. So this would be a completely different listing. And then I would do a different one for the pink and a different one for the green, for the people that are Irish or whatever it may be. You can do this over and over and over again, and you can essentially corner the market. That's exactly what these people have done. When people type in SVG Flag Day, these are going to come up on top because they are going to be relevant. All of these other ones aren't necessarily relevant. They have flags included, but they're not necessarily relevant. So you could type in Flag Day. This is going to take you probably about a half an hour to do at most. Do a bunch of different colors. Do the black on black and the gray on gray. Do all the different colors. And then when you're done, come back over to our calendar and do the same thing for Father's Day. If we jump back over to Etsy and we type in Father's Day, you can see Father's Day SVG. And again, Father's Day bundles. People are doing this exact same thing. You don't want to do Father's Day, you could do Independence Day or Parents' Day. Let's look at Parents' Day. The cool thing with these off holidays is they're not going to be as competitive. If we do Independence Day, everybody thinks to do Independence Day. But if you do Parents' Day, who's thinking about Parents' Day? Parents' Day. You know who's thinking about Parents' Day? Entrepreneurs and business people. You could create images for Parents' Day. There's no one that's doing Parents' Day right now. And you can even jump over to Canva and see if they have something for Parents' Day. Hit enter, and then you can see there is some opportunity there. If you don't want to do Parents' Day, you could do Labor Day. Labor Day is probably going to be another good one. If we type in Labor Day here, Labor Day SVG, as you can see, boom, people are doing it for Labor Day. Go through and do, the United States has a holiday for everything. So you have an opportunity to do this hundreds of times. If you wanted to, you could do off holidays like Donut Day and anything that you can think of. There's a Grandparents' Day down here. There's Step Family Day. There's Twins Day. You can do an SVG for every single holiday. You can do an SVG for every single holiday. Create it, put it on Etsy as individual stores or individual products, charge $2 for it, and people are going to click and buy. What do people do with these? I don't know. I don't care. As a marketer, we don't care what they do with it. What we care about is how we can make money from it. So this is a very good opportunity. And just to show you, once again, just to recap what I've done, is I've gone up to Etsy.com and I've typed in Flag Day SVG. And what we've done is we've gone over to Canva and we've created a new design. We can do 8.5 by 11. The size really doesn't matter for what we're doing. Once we do that, we can jump over to the Elements tab here and we can type in USA flag. You can even do this for individual states if you wanted to. And you can go through and you can download these. Now, again, there are free flags and there are paid flags. So I'm just going to delete these just to show you one more time. And what we can do is we can click on this free one here. We can change the color to gray on gray or gray on black. What I recommend that you do is create separate product listings for each color that you do. You can find additional colors at the Canva color palette. And what you'd want to do is click on one that you like, copy the hex code here, jump back over to Canva, click on your product here, and then just paste in the hex code, hit enter, and then we are going to click on it. And as you can see, the color changed. And you're just gonna do this. You can do this as many times as you want to, but what's better is if you do this a bunch of times for every single product. And as you can see, this doesn't take that long. It's taking me longer because I'm talking and typing at the same time. But if you watch this video, if you follow along, watch this video multiple times, you can do this relatively quickly, relatively easily, and it doesn't cost you anything. It may not cost you anything. If you want to pay for these premium flags, you can do that. But you can also find flags online for free. You can also go to Google and type in USA flag, hit enter, go over to images, and then you want to find flags that are royalty free. So you go down to tools, go to Creative Commons, and then this is going to give you a bunch of flags that you could potentially use for free. And again, you could even do this for each individual state. There are 50 states, so that gives you 50 times however many times you want to do it. But you could download a number of these, and then you can upload them right into your Canva canvas here. And then once you're done, click the download button, and you want to download it as either a PDF, a JPG, or an SVG file. Once you've done that, go over to Etsy, and then you want to go through the process of listing it. The cool thing with this process, and the reason why you want to do an SVG or a JPEG or a PNG, is so that you can do a digital download. That way you don't have to manually send anything out. People will buy the product and they'll be able to click and download instantly. Now that you know an easy way to make money on Etsy, click the first link in the description or go to the 10daybusinessblueprint.com. if you want to learn how to sell your own digital products in 10 days. With the 10-day business blueprint, you'll actually learn how to make even more money selling digital products. I'll walk you through the step of creating and selling your first digital products in just 10 days. So go to the 10daybusinessblueprint.com right now to get started. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.